Technology has changed the way we live in many obvious ways. Every day, we use items that were the product of science fiction just a short generation ago. These innovations were only made possible by equally impressive, but not as well known, advances in manufacturing technology. Since the Industrial Revolution, manufacturers have been striving to make more products better in a shorter time and for less money. Automation has made this possible, but with automation comes complexity. We found a company that allows manufacturers to manage this complexity in real time. With that in mind, we traveled to Dawsonville, Georgia and visited Impulse Manufacturing so we could get a first-hand look at ShopFloorConnect from the world's greatest in efficiency tracking, Wintris Controls Group. Since the 1980s, Wintris has been a leader in using the latest technology to automatically track production data from all types of manufacturing machinery, something that can be a monumental task in a typical facility. Their ShopFloorConnect software can be the difference between a manufacturing company's success or failure.
Manufacturers can't be profitable unless they can make products efficiently. Even very simple products are the end result of many machines and operations that work in concert together. If any one of these machines or operations is disrupted, even for a small reason, it can throw production off throughout the entire facility. ShopFloorConnect helps to monitor all the machines and equipment, instantly identify where there's shortfalls or bottlenecks in production, and allows management and the appropriate personnel to respond to these shortfalls to keep production moving smoothly.
Before we installed ShopFloorConnect, we had a difficult time ascertaining why a specific machine was down, and downtime reasons in the manufacturing floor translates directly to lost productivity, which is lost dollars on our bottom line. Now that we've installed ShopFloorConnect, we get very real-time answers back from the shop floor directly from the operator and or the machine to allow us to Pareto those downtime reasons and correct them quickly.
Using Wintris ShopFloorConnect software, companies are now able to monitor each piece of their entire operation and do so in real time.
We have over 50 years in the machine control and sensing industry, and that has allowed us to design the SMI to be very simple and easy to use and also easy to install. We can collect information from virtually any machine by tapping into a couple of very commonly available control signals. We will visit the customer, we will do a survey of all the machinery and decide how best to collect the information from each machine type.
One of the reasons we selected ShopFloorConnect was it was very customizable to our manufacturing floor. We can give the operator very specific downtime reasons to select when the machine goes down, which gives us that real-time feedback that we're looking for. After the initial install of ShopFloorConnect, we saw an instantaneous 10% increase in productivity on our shop floor that translated into a payback of less than 3 months for the software.
Making the lives of manufacturers easier, there is one company that stands above the rest: Wintris Controls Group, the world's greatest in efficiency tracking software.